So I recently made a video about the cryptocurrency VeChain, and it kind of popped off, which makes me think that people are probably interested in learning more about the topic, or they're here to learn how they can make a lot of money quickly. Regardless of the reason that brought you here, today I'm going to explain why I think VeChain is going to the moon and why long-term holders of this cryptocurrency are probably going to make a lot of money in the long term. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Reese, and in today's video, I am talking about the cryptocurrency VeChain again, but with a twist. Today, I'm talking and diving into why I believe this cryptocurrency will achieve a valuation of $1 at least in the years to come. Aside from being an absolutely fantastic project, which is solving supply chain logistical issues and also being a fan favorite amongst the crypto community, VeChain, in terms of value, is still in its infancy when talking about the valuations of cryptocurrencies. I'm going to go over some key topics surrounding VeChain and why I believe it has not seen the same level of growth as some of the other big player cryptocurrencies. With that being said, in the last 2 weeks, this is my portfolio, just as a reference. Holy crap, I have doubled my stack in 2 weeks. That is a significant amount of money. Those tokens are no longer in that account, they are in a wallet, safe, because this is insane. To think that the value of this coin is only 1/20th of its potential is just nuts to me. It's crazy. So with that out of the way, the first topic on my list is mass adoption. VeChain works on a 2-token system. So the first token I'm going to quickly briefly go over is VeChain tokens, or VET. That is what I currently hold. What they do is generate their basically child token. They generate another token called VeThor tokens. Now, as a business, I want to track products. So what am I going to do? I'm going to use VeThor tokens to pay for that service. So VET generates VeThor, businesses use VeThor to pay for the service, and here's the kicker, VeThor, when it is paid to use the service, is burnt, meaning it is basically deleted. Why is this an important thing? Well, as mass adoption comes on board and more businesses come on board, that supply will decrease and continually gradually decrease over time. At the moment, VeChain or VET tokens generate about 6 times more than how much VeThor is burnt every day by businesses. Now, at the moment, this is a good thing. It means there is a surplus of VeThor, and it means that businesses can use the service very, very cheaply, which is a great thing because it's an incentive for businesses to come on board at low costs. However, as more companies start to come on board, the burn rate is going to go up, which means the supply is going to go down, which in theory, as more businesses jump on board, VeChain is going to become more valuable as a token as it generates the fuel required to use the service, and as that supply basically drops, the price should eventually go up. At the moment, we already have some pretty big players such as BMW and Walmart China using the service right now. Literally today, they are using it right now, which is only the beginning. As the product improves over time, more companies are going to come on board. The second topic on my list is that VeChain uses POA, or Proof of Authority. In simple terms, to provide the VeChain service, one of the pre-approved platform validators are selected at random to generate the next block in the blockchain. And this goes on and on and on and on, which provides the service of VeChain as a whole, which is quite a slow process when you are talking about mass adoption and large corporations transacting in millions of transactions per day. So coming to the platform in the near future is POA 2.0. Now, I've just said Proof of Authority 2.0. It is a new technology that was requested by a mass user of the service already. They've requested to the VeChain team that they develop this technology. And what it's going to do is give businesses the immediacy they require to operate on the blockchain at mass scale. This is going to be huge for VeChain. It is increasingly important to ensure that the network can cope with high activity growth, and POA2 is looking like it is going to add that extra level of assurance to the platform. This in turn kind of ties into my previous point of mass adoption, where if clients can see that this service can support their needs and be actually quite cheap to do what it needs to do, the price is going to be driven up. So my second point being POA 2 or Proof of Authority 2 coming soon is going to be huge for the platform. Number 3 on my list is where you can buy VeChain. Coinbase has grown to be the largest digital currency exchange in the US. VeChain is not currently available to be traded on Coinbase, and there are 35 million active users on the platform. At some point, VeChain is very much likely to be listed on Coinbase, and when it is listed, imagine if just 10% of its users put $1,000 into this cryptocurrency, which I believe a lot more money will flood in. But we're talking about tens of billions of dollars being added to its market cap in a matter of weeks, months, and years. This is something that I personally believe will take place after Coinbase's IPO is completed, and I can speculate when this could happen. I believe it will be sometime in the year of 2021. Time will tell, we will see. The point is that when it is eventually listed on Coinbase, the price is likely to skyrocket. And my final point is market cap. People look at market caps and don't really understand what they're looking at. They do the comparison to Bitcoin and do the math. If you divide VeChain's market cap into Bitcoin's market cap, you get a 338 times larger market cap. And they go, oh, wow, it can rise to that price just like that. Even though it is technically true, it could, but that's not the reason why the price is driven up. But it will bring people to the platform to go, small market cap, cheap to buy. I'm going to invest some money in it, driving the price up. My price prediction for VeChain is that it will hit $1 within the next 5 years. It might hit it sooner rather than later based on the current trend of the market, but who knows? That's my price prediction. I've set a calendar reminder in my phone so that in 5 years' time, I come back to this video and see if I was right or wrong. And if I'm still uploading videos to YouTube, I will be sure to make a follow-up video, hopefully with me sitting in a bathtub full of cash, which will be pretty funny. Overall, I just want to throw in 2 quick disclaimers, and one is that I have left a link in the description below to CoinSpot, Coinbase, and Gemini, a couple of popular cryptocurrency trading exchanges. Just remember, you can't buy VeChain on Coinbase yet. I want to emphasize the word yet, and that they are referral links. So if you do use them to sign up, you'll get $10 a Bitcoin, as will I, when you make a deposit onto the platform. The other disclaimer that I want to put in here is that invest at your own risk. You are never guaranteed to make money when investing in cryptocurrency, and the market is incredibly volatile. Do your own research and only invest money you are willing to lose. With that being said, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope it was insightful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Getting pretty close to 1,000 subscribers now. It's a pretty good feeling. So if you enjoyed it, please do that. And as always, I will see you in the next one.